What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how to make the seamoss gel from scratch. Now, I know seamoss has been popular for years now, but ever since COVID happened, it's been like OD popular now. Like everybody and their moms is trying to get their hands on it. It's me. I'm everybody and their moms. But anyway, I noticed that people be trying to charge you like $28 for one 8-ounce jar of seamoss gel. And I'm like, sis, I could dead get a whole bag of seamoss, raw seamoss, for $28. You're bugging. So what we're going to do is make our own seamoss gel, and we're going to save some money. So let's get right into the video. So this is what the seamoss looks like when it comes out of the package. You want to go ahead and run that under cold water to get any of the debris off. And then we're going to place it into a bowl and squeeze some limes over it and throw the limes right in there. Then we're going to pour some spring water over that until it covers the seamoss. Then after that, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for at least 12 hours. So now I'm going to take the plastic wrap off and show you what it looks like after 12 hours. So pretty much it just soaked up some of the water and put it right back to life. Then we're going to place the seamoss into a blender and pour in some spring water. But don't cover the seamoss with the water all the way, just almost cover it. Then we're going to blend that on high for like 5 minutes and it should look something like this. If you guys don't know already, seamoss has like 92 minerals. So I'm really here for that, like instead of like popping pills and all that stuff. But I'm honestly trying to see if it will give me some hang time. Like my hair's already kind of long, but I want it like to my waist. You feel me? So that's what I'm trying to do. We're gonna see if this works. But anyway, you want to store it into like a mason jar. I got this one from Walmart. And you can keep it in the fridge for like a month. And now I'm gonna show you what it looks like once it's been refrigerated. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one of the ways that I incorporate seamoss into my diet. I like to make vegan smoothies just because I love non-dairy smoothies. So first we're going to start off with some frozen blueberries, a frozen banana, a couple ice cubes, some ground flax seeds, a tablespoon of seamoss, and some coconut milk. And then we're just going to blend that up. Then I'm just going to pour this into a cup and, drink it. So pretty much, you got your seamoss intake in for the day after this. So I hope you all learned how to make seamoss today. It's super easy instead of buying it for almost $30. You can also flavor this if you want to. Whatever you want to do you. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.